Today we will be counting unique values, and I will show two formulas, one for legacy Excel and one for dynamic array Excel. Let's start with legacy Excel. Here we'll be using COUNTIF function. As a range will give all cells with values that we are looking at, and as a criteria will give the same range. And when we do something like that, then COUNTIF function will return list our range, and in each cell we will have the count of this value, how many times it appears in our range. So for example, Batman appears 3 times in our range, so we have 3 Batmans, but we want to count this only once. So what additional modification we can add to our formula to count these 3 threes as 1? We can't divide by those numbers. Thanks to that, instead of 3 we'll have only 1/3. So 3 times 1/3 is just 1. So each Batman will be summarized to 1. And thanks to that, we can put this formula in SUMPRODUCT function. So we don't have to confirm our formula with Ctrl+Shift+Enter, just enter is enough. And we have counted unique values in legacy Excel. In dynamic array Excel, the formula is much easier, simpler, because we can use unique function to get the list of only unique values. So Batman will appear here only once, and we can just count rows, so rows function. And just like that, we count unique values in legacy Excel and in dynamic array Excel.